Today's video has been brought to you in partnership with Markel Direct Trades Insurance.
And if you want to get your trades business protected in minutes, check out Markel's website, markeluk.com/ballbuilders.
Oh, I'm buzzing for it. That was good. That was a tease. That wall's too thin to put a concealed shower unit in that wall.
Tell them don't forget to like and subscribe. Sweet, bro.
You happy with that? We've just announced where FixFest is going to be. The South of England Showground on the 30th of August. Haywards Heath, so it's near B-Town, Brighton, right. West Sussex. That's where it's going to be, and we just announced it on radio actually now. Tickets are going on sale this week.
This Friday.
Nice.
Obviously, that's going to be a delay on that camera because that's a couple of weeks.
28th of February they go on sale, but probably going to be...
They'll be on sale by the time you watch this. They're going to be on sale, so make sure you go over to the Fix website, which is Fix Radio. Is it FixFest?
FixFest.co.uk.
And that's where the tickets are going to be for sale, are they? FixFest.co.uk, and check Fix Radio's website.co.uk as well. Oh, I'm buzzing for it. That was good. That was a tease.
I'm getting a little dizzy.
We're just going into now. We just announced who the headline act's going to be as well.
Rascals.
Oh.
And now we're going to give some more information away.
Tell them, Sam. Tell the camera who the headline act's going to be.
Dizzee Rascal.
Oh, bonkers.
Bonkers.
It's going to go really quick. We've got a whole week of promo now. We've got to try and sell these tickets. Everyone's going to be speaking about it. It's going to be amazing. I don't think these tickets hang around for long.
What is it, 6 months? 5 months away? 6 months away?
30th of August.
March, April, May, June, July, August. 6 months away.
A lot of planning though.
6 months away.
That's not a long time to plan a festival, get the tickets sold, get everyone buzzing for
Toilets
it.
in.
Toilets are very important. The love lift. Hello, ladies.
Hello, ladies.
Hello, ladies. Ben, we've got to get you on the camera, yeah? Maybe Ted can hold it and we can see how many people will come in and out of there and do the love lift.
FixFest 2025 is an artist who has had 5 UK #1 singles, selling over 2 million copies. He is a Brit Award winner and performed at the opening ceremony for the London Olympic Games. Your headline act for FixFest 2025 with Wix Trade Pro is... Oh, Bedside, look sharp. Don't make me be a Bedside, get dark. Hear the bang, see the spark.
I'd like to ask Dizzee Rascal, Mr. Rascal, why don't you run for office? I think I might have to do that one day still. Dizzee Rascal for Prime Minister, yeah?
Oh, come on!
Oh man, I'm buzzing.
Brother, I've got goosebumps on that. I'm buzzing for this.
It is going to be unreal.
That is the first time I've heard that montage as well.
So good.
That's got me so excited,
So
Sam.
good.
Honestly, mate.
I can't wait.
Oi,
I
listen,
actually can't wait.
save the date, the 30th of August. We've told you where, we've told you when. We're going to tell you later on where you can get the tickets.
Right, let's get this
Oh.
on. Dizzee Rascal and Bonkers.
Get up!
Steve-O. Morning, mate. You alright?
Well,
Yeah? Good weekend?
yeah, didn't do a great deal really, to be honest.
Chilling out?
Did some gardening yesterday.
Oh,
It
nice.
was quite nice.
Yeah,
Getting out
lovely.
there. First time getting out there, getting your beds ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite
Ready
nice,
for,
nice to have a bit of time like that, you know,
Yeah.
just to chill out and do a couple of hours at the garden
Yeah, nice.
while the weather was okay. So yeah, it's quite
Nice,
nice.
mate. Move this way and then we'll see. 'Cause
But
it's
what
very
I've done
dark.
is I've got the black shorts today, so it actually just looks like, apart from the massive Nike tip,
Yeah.
it blends in.
Yeah, it does blend in. I genuinely thought you were wearing trousers for
There
a
you go,
second.
see? No, but just marking up, obviously some sockets and stuff like that,
Yeah.
because it's a bit wet outside
Yeah.
to be cutting tiles with an extension lead.
Yes. A little bit. It's supposed to stop though, apparently.
That's it, so I thought I'd just make use of the time a minute, so I'm just coming in to mark up sockets and switches, so that hopefully tomorrow when I'm inside, I've already got them all marked out and I can come in, cut them all in, and,
Yeah, nice.
and do some wiring.
Did you actually?
Saturday evening, yeah.
Where? Did you actually see me?
Yeah, yeah.
What's round about?
The one near your house.
What, the Tesco's?
The big one. Yeah, it might be the test. No, not the little one. It was like the big,
Okay.
the big roundabout.
Couldn't have been that bad because he didn't pull you over.
Yeah,
when
it couldn't
you got
have
home.
been. Yeah, it couldn't have been that bad. I couldn't
You
have
must have
been
been secretly impressed with you.
Yeah. Be careful, Ted.
And on that note, let's get to work.
Oh. Then just marking the centre.
That's the centre of the bed. I'm just going to, obviously I'd usually do this with my laser. My laser's currently at Brad's.
Right.
Which we'll grab for tomorrow. So I just want to know that the two sockets either side of the bed are level with each other.
Yeah.
No one's ever really going to get a tape measure out and go, oh, they're not.
No, but it's just, they look nice.
It's good practice on that one, which was nice. So the bottom of your socket from the floor should be 450.
Right.
So, and in that way, so if obviously, I think it's like based on wheelchair users. So that if someone in a wheelchair could obviously then turn the socket on.
Right.
But yeah, that's why we do that. How good's your drawing of the ball builders logo then?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I'll do one for you right now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Come
put
on.
one on the telly.
Alright.
Let me just finish relining the telly.
You can draw, mate.
You can draw.
Yeah.
I didn't know this about you.
Yeah, I got a U and R in school.
Did you?
Yeah, I can draw.
That mean what does the U stand for? Unexpected.
Ungrateful.
No, I did.
Can we have it just up here, please?
You want it up there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, I'll give you a marker pen.
Painting by numbers.
What do you reckon, Steve?
What I got to do, Ted?
Hold on. Like and subscribe.
Hey.
Right, Ben, we are actually. So, what Brad's doing now is so. For example, we're going to cut out this socket, right? Because this has got to go in the back. So, that will sit inside the wall in there. Because this is brickwork. So you stitch it, it's called stitching. You screw all the way around, bop, 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 and then you'll pop all of the like middle out because obviously you've stitched around with what Brad's doing there.
This is just stopping you going too deep into the wall. So that's now the depth of your box.
So that's the depth of that. Yeah? So you just go pop, 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 all the way around. That'll all come out and then we'll put that inside the wall. So that's flush at the back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But that, you don't do that with plasterboard. We're only doing it because this is brickwork.
It's brick.
You know another little top tip that Dan taught me? So I always used to, when I was drilling, I'd drill like that, so I was inside.
Yeah.
And obviously, so you think you're good, you're staying all nice inside that box, but then if you drill over at the angle, you got a right pig now to get that last little bit out.
Yeah.
So he said, I know you want to get it all lovely and neat, but he said just be over that line slightly.
Yeah.
So you've got a little bit of wriggle room to make it level and everything else.
Because that'd be hard to get in there.
Yeah.
If you was tight there, that'd be hard to get.
So he says just drill over your line very slightly to make it slightly bigger, and then obviously you've got a bit of wriggle room.
And then that's obviously a smaller one, but the same thing. And then where are you bringing your cables in? From the ceiling?
Them ones have got to come down from the ceiling, yeah. Which I've got my chaser for.
And then Brad's got a chaser, which is a special tool. And then we whip up there. La Bosh.
And all you can do when you lift that toilet out, aim it down that way, and all the water run out of the pan into the drain.
You're right, bud.
Yes. But I asked them to clear this out, and I come here and it's still not cleared out. I hate scraggly little bits. All these are still poking out the floor. Half the floor's done. Just get a job done and get a room finished. Right, that can be pulled off. You have to disconnect this, unscrew this flue, get your screwdriver, unscrew that, because that's connected into the wall.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to hook that off and pull it out. It's weird. That'll come off, won't it? So it'll be bolted on, that's all clipped on, isn't it?
Yeah, usually they're screwed on, but this one isn't.
There's 1800s there. That's how far out the end of the bath will be. It ain't square, so it'll feel bigger anyway because it comes up. And then if you come off 100mm off that wall, or 150, your stud work, plus your 50mm for your tile on your board, and then your 750, your 900. So that's my bath. Along there, in theory. Obviously the floor will flow underneath it and whatever else. Tap up that end in the corner. There's enough room over there for the tap. Because we're having underfloor heating, we've got no way of piping it up separately. And also in the summer, electric towers are lovely because in the summer and you ain't got the heating on. So that's great. That wall's too thin to put a concealed shower unit in that wall. It's going to blow out the other side. So we need to stud that wall out.
Yeah.
And then she wants, because we're going to have a shower look, and we're going to have to stud that wall out to put the concealed unit in. Because it's a freestanding bath and I don't put anything, she wanted a hook in this wall here, underneath the windowsill. I'll show you in a minute. And to do that, again, we're going to have to frame that out.
Noisy Ted. Kieron's there.
Oh yeah.
Kieron's
Who's Kieron?
Kieron is our editor.
Why is he here?
Because apparently he's cooked us a little something. Oh, go on, son.
Ooh.
Baby.
Is that cake?
Wait, so cake?
It's cake.
What's that?
Then cheesecake, then cake.
Oh.
It's cold, so it needs to be like left out a little bit more.
That looks really good, Sam.
Ben, mate. Oh, where's the edge of cheesecake?
You've gone very quiet, Sam, so I think that's a good sign.
That's banging. It's a weird texture. Because it's like cakey and it throws you off because it's crunchy. Got a lot of time for that.
This one you were telling me about?
What?
You were telling about, who was it? Who made the cakes?
Yeah, this is Kieron.
Yeah.
Kieron's our editor.
Yeah, that's what you were telling me, weren't you? I think
Yeah, he makes the cakes, yeah. Kieron, can you do, if you do one again, can you make one without chocolate?
Yeah, I didn't realise you didn't like chocolate.
That's alright. I like it, I just can't eat it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why?
It gives me headaches.
Okay.
Annoying, yeah.
You know Lance Armstrong?
Oh yeah,
I taught him how to ride.
Did you?
Yep.
Mm.
Shut up, bruv.
Is your behind okay?
Oh, brother, how are you riding that thing?
Let's put it down to
Oh, go on, mate. It's getting a bit of pace on that.
Come on, Kieron, get some pace behind you.
Oh, he's going. Look at that.
Easy, Sam.
Get up. Oh, he has made that look very easy, to be fair.
Mm.
Thank you, boys. Thank you.
Brad, does that bring back memories?
Yeah.
When you rode your bike and Kieron edited it out the episode.
Yeah.
So there was no proof. Steve, I've only got two.
If this bathroom don't fit by 20mm, I'll come to see you two.
Go on then, you can do it. Let's see what happens, bro.
Do you want to take it off? Would you prefer it off?
Nah, I'm not fast.
Are you gonna think about
Me
it in your
personally, I'm not fast.
Are you gonna think about it in your six now?
Are you going to think about it in your foot?
Spider in the
This needs to be cleaned out, the ply needs to come up in the skip.
Yes.
All of the sockets up here.
Show me the sockets.
Look, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. All of the electrics need to be out of here in the skip.
Unscrew and then chop them up?
Yes.
Okay. That's easy.
By the end of today.
By the end of today.
So you're going to get them, are you going to get these out or shall I do them for you?
I think you can do that.
Okay.
And then I'll do the other.
And then you
And
can
then
straight
just
off.
to add to your list, we need them floorboards up today as well.
And the floorboards up. And it's now what? Half one?
3:30.
Yeah, and it's 3:30, so.
Very interesting secret, but I'll let you into a little secret.
Yeah. What have we got?
Let's see if I can find it. So, after the other day, Ted's treats.
Yeah.
Guess what I had today?
Hold on, it's not focusing. No.
Left me wanting more. I take it all back, didn't I? I said after, don't usually like moussey chocolate, you know.
Yeah.
But they grew on me, and it left me.
The
Ted's
taste.
treats. What was it? Thursday or Friday?
Ted's treats on the Friday.
Tuesday treats from Friday.
On Friday, yeah.
Left me wanting more of those. So I thought one wasn't enough the other day to give it a complete review.
Yeah.
But after that one, I reckon we've gone up even higher. I reckon we're on like a 9.
9 out of 10.
After having a few more.
They do like nutty ones as well.
Nah, I don't like nutty stuff.
But you don't know. You might like it.
My sister's always had a nut allergy, so I've always grown up not around nuts and that.
Right.
So, but yeah, so that was that really interesting little secret.
Expanding your palate.
That's it.
Ted's Tuesday treats on
something new.
Ted's Tuesday treats on a Friday is expanding your.
That's it. I wouldn't have gone to them and thought, do you know what, I'm going to buy them, because
Yeah.
I would have looked at them and gone, nah, don't like that.
Mm.
Just goes to show you just got to try it sometimes.
You heard it here first.
That's it. On to the Ribenas now.
Go on, Steve.
Go on.
If Steve does 1 rep, you've got to like and subscribe.
About 3.
Done 3.
Hey.
I'm not pulling a muscle, I won't be in tomorrow.
Nah, go on.
1. 1. 1.
That's it.
Yeah, that was it.
So, how many can you do?
Brad, not even 1, I don't think.
That's it.
1.
Yeah.
Look at his face.
2.
2. That's more, isn't it?
1. 2.
They're not going all the way up, mate. Not one of them counts.
3 as well.
2.
I feel so much better now. He goes to the gym daily and one match.
You're all.
I did it before. I was like a monkey.
You're all rubbish. Go on then.
Ben can do like 5.
Yeah, he's just going for 4 now, just for the sake of it.
Of course he is. Oh, look at me and my girlfriend. Let me show off. Let me show off.
He jumped.
Oh, he jumped. That was a jump. Yeah, he does.
His face ain't even shaking.
we look really bad, boys. Ben, what they got to do?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Yeah, we're all good. We're done. So until tomorrow, you're with us. We're over the gym building because the floor's getting scraped.
Ooh.
With a big machine.
Nice.
The man's putting up the cove in, and then we'll probably pop back here to see how Brad's got on. Ted's with us tomorrow for a bit. I'm going to go and edit. I've got about 14 emails to sort out, and I've got a deck to do. So, like a sales deck. Sales deck.
Oh, a sales pitch.
You know what I'm saying, bruv? No one sees it.
That's Monday, and Danny DeVito, Yamito.
What he said. Till next time, which is tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Or Danny
Tell him,
DeVito,
mate.
go get you,
Tell
mate.
him, don't forget to like and subscribe. Sweet, bro.
Yeah.
Brad, what they got to do?
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Till tomorrow. Bye.
So that's it for today's video, and remember to check out our partner Markel Direct Trades Insurance for a no-nonsense business insurance quote.
And you can get your trades business protected in minutes at the Markel Direct website, markeluk.com/baldbuilders.